Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto, you know how exciting it is to move your assets around. Today, we're tackling a straightforward tutorial: how to send cryptocurrency from Coinbase to Moonshot 2025. Whether you're looking to diversify your portfolio or explore new platforms, this guide will make it simple and stress-free. Let's jump right in. First off, ensure you have both a Coinbase account and a Moonshot 2025 wallet set up. This is crucial for security, so if you're missing anything, pause here and get that sorted. Once you're ready, log into your Coinbase account through the app or website. Head to your dashboard and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Next, click on the Send or Withdraw option for that asset. This will bring up a form where you'll enter the recipient's details. Before you do that, switch over to your Moonshot 2025 account and copy the exact wallet address for the same cryptocurrency. Pro tip: wallet addresses are super sensitive, so double check for typos to avoid any mishaps. Losing crypto to the wrong address is no joke. Now, back in Coinbase, paste that wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount you want to send, and take a moment to review the estimated fees. These can vary based on network congestion, so keep an eye on your costs. Once everything looks good, hit the Confirm button. You might need to verify with two-factor authentication for added security. After you send it, keep track of the transaction status. Most platforms let you monitor it on the blockchain. And just like that, you're done. Transferring crypto might seem intimidating at first, but with these steps, it's a breeze. Remember, always start with a small test amount if you're new to this. If this video helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.